This is my 06 450R. I got it about 2 months ago. It had some top end issues and didn't run when I got it. I traded it for a 400EX that I had. I sent it out and got stage 2 cam, ported and polished, the Wiseco normal compression piston. I got this intake here, which is called the Velocity intake. You can get them on eBay with a cane and air filter. Also, can't really see it, but a Boyeson quickshot 3 accelerator pump cover, and it's tunable. Has the full HMF balance, billballance exhaust. 4 brand new whole shot GNCC tires, new Pro Armor front bumper, Renthal bars and clamps with the 450R logo on it. ASV clutch and brake lever. I think that's almost it. Dominator 2 rear axle, got it with that on. It's pretty fast. I have about maybe 4.5 hours on it now. Start it up. Which almost sucks because where I ride, people might get mad at the noise. And one of the other things I got for was new plastics, which I didn't mention. Before I had crappy black plastics, which looked really bad on it. Has a lot of scratches on it, and it had a hard life before. Got my hot cams box and the Wiseco box. And the bars in back there were the old ones, and the clamp was just junk, all peeling off, and this was the old front bumper, which just looked horrible on it. But pretty sure that's all, and I'm happy with the outcome.